If you've ever tried to set up an installment plan in Xero for a customer invoice, you already know that you can't do it without some kind of annoying workaround. Well, the good news is that it doesn't have to be that way, because Pinch Payments lets you create whatever installment plans you like for your client invoices in Xero. And on top of that, Pinch also allows you to get pre-approval for collecting customer payments automatically and follows up on missed payments on your behalf, and even helps you reconcile your bank transactions. So if you'd like to create payment plans for your customer invoices in Xero and make your entire invoicing process as flexible and automated as possible, keep watching. If you're keen to try out Pinch Payments, you can do so without any risk because there's no joining fees, no monthly fees, and no lock-in contracts. The only fees you pay are on your transactions, much like Stripe or any other payment processor. To get started, click on the link in the description below or scan the QR code on your screen, and when you get to their website, click on one of the buttons to join. After you've signed up, you can go ahead and connect your new Pinch account directly to Xero in just a few clicks. Okay, now that we're all set up, let's go through a couple of ways you can create installment plans for your invoices. First, let's take a look at how to create a payment plan for an invoice that you already have in Xero and you may have already sent to your customer. All you need to do is go to Plans and Subscriptions in the main menu, click the Add Payment Plan button, and then choose Break down an existing invoice. Next, give the plan both an internal reference name and a display name, which is the name the customer will see. Choose the date you want the payment plan to start on, and then open up the Recurring Payments section. Here, you can set up the amount and frequency of the payments. You can choose amounts, percentages, or the number of installments. I'm going to break my invoice up into 4 equal payments. I'm also going to set the frequency to 1 payment per week. Once you've saved the plan by clicking Create Plan, you go to Payment in the main menu, and then find the invoice you want and click into it. Click on Choose a Payment Plan, and then select the plan you want from the drop-down list and hit the Create Payment Plan button to finish. Now, at this point, if you've already been pre-approved to take payments from this customer, Pinch will start collecting the payments from the customer for this invoice without any further steps, because as I said, you already have pre-approval in place. If the pre-approval hasn't been done yet, Pinch will automatically email the customer an invitation link. The customer can simply click on the link and enter their payment details to accept the installment plan and grant pre-approval. Once that's done, Pinch will begin collecting payments. What about if you want to use that payment plan on future invoices that have not yet been created in Xero? Let's go back to our payment plan, and down the bottom here you can see a section that has the question, Allow customer to select this plan to pay off their invoices. As you can see from this text, if we check the box, what will happen is that the payment plan will be displayed as an option for your customer to select on the payment page after they click the Pay Now link on their Xero invoice. Now there's a couple of options here. You can set this up so that every invoice over a certain amount, say $1,000, will give the customer the option to choose this particular payment plan. The other option is to not have a minimum amount, but instead attach the payment plan to a specific branding theme in Xero. This means that you need to set up at least one branding theme in Xero that has Pinch Payments enabled, and when you do, that branding theme will show up in this drop-down box. When your customer receives an invoice from Xero that uses that branding theme, they should see an option to choose one of the payment plans you assign to the branding theme when they go to pay. If they opt in and they've already been through the pre-approval process for automatic payments, Pinch will start debiting their account right away. If your customer hasn't been through the pre-approval process, they'll be prompted to enter their payment details and grant you permission to take payments automatically. Once complete, Pinch will start collecting payments on your behalf. So as you can see, there's a couple of different ways you can set up and assign installment plans to your Xero invoices by using Pinch Payments. And you can, of course, set up as many different installment plans as you like and assign them to whichever invoices you need to, which helps both you and your customers manage your cash flow. Now, what happens if a payment fails? Pinch has got you covered here too with a couple of built-in tools that will save you from having to play debt collector. First, instead of giving up after a single failure, Pinch's automatic retry logic will attempt to process the payment again at spaced intervals. And you're in control of this, as you can define exactly how many days the system should wait before trying again, and you can set a cap on the maximum number of retries. Also, when a payment fails, Pinch can automatically send an email to your client alerting them of the failure and letting them know when the next debit attempt will occur. Once again, you're in control as you can fully customize these emails to suit your needs and your communication style. Now, you might be thinking that getting paid in installments could create a bank reconciliation nightmare in Xero, but thankfully, Pinch Payments has you covered there too. When you hook up Pinch to your Xero account, a Pinch Payments clearing account is automatically created in Xero. Whenever a customer makes a payment, the funds appear in the clearing account instead of your main bank account. For example, if you receive a bunch of installments from your customers on a particular day, they'll all go into your clearing account like this. When the funds are settled to your main bank account, usually within 1 to 5 business days, Pinch will do a few things automatically. 1. Create a credit in the clearing account for the fees you owe on those transactions. 2. Create a bill in Xero for those fees that will be marked as paid because you have actually paid it. 3. Create a credit in the clearing account for the remaining funds that are transferred to your main bank account. And 4. Create a debit for the same amount in your main bank account, which is matched and ready for you to reconcile with one click of your mouse button. All this saves you from having to manually match lots of installment payments in your main bank account, which keeps it nice and clean and keeps all the Pinch payment activity in the clearing account so you can easily keep a close eye on your payment plan activity. So as you can see, you don't have to settle for the dodgy workarounds that currently come with offering payment plans in Xero. With Pinch Payments, you can set up installment plans with ease, automate payment collection, handle failed transactions without playing debt collector, and keep your bank reconciliation tidy with their dedicated clearing account and automated transactions. So if you're ready to help both yours and your customers' cash flow by offering flexible payment plans on your Xero customer invoices, click on the link below or scan the QR code and check it out for yourself. Remember, there's no joining fees, no monthly costs, no lock-in contracts, and there's a whole team of real people ready to answer your questions and help you get fully set up. So do yourself a favor and check it out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.